Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you 2016 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, fog lights, MP3 playback stereo. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.